Ever wondered what makes kombucha a probiotic powerhouse? Kombucha, the effervescent fermented tea, is a delightful blend of tangy and sweet. It all starts with a simple tea base, sugar, and a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, or SCOBY. This medley undergoes fermentation, transforming into a beverage brimming with probiotics, antioxidants, and beneficial acids. Today we'll uncover the rich history, intriguing production, and myriad benefits of this wonder drink. So buckle up and get ready to delve into the bubbly world of kombucha. Kombucha is not a modern invention. Its roots trace back to ancient times. The story of kombucha begins over 2,000 years ago in northeast China, around 220 BC. It was during this time that it earned the name, the tea of immortality. The drink was highly valued for its supposed health benefits, including its potential to detoxify the body and energize the mind. As the centuries rolled on, the popularity of kombucha began to spread. It journeyed along the Silk Road, making its way into Russia and Eastern Europe. By the early 20th century, kombucha had found its way to Germany and France, and by the mid-century, it had crossed the Atlantic to North America. Its popularity in the Western world has surged in recent decades, thanks to a growing interest in probiotics and natural health remedies. From an ancient Chinese elixir to a trendy health drink, kombucha has certainly made its mark. Kombucha is not just a tasty, fizzy drink. It's a probiotic powerhouse with numerous health benefits. This fermented elixir is a natural source of beneficial bacteria that work wonders for your gut. They help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and alleviate gastrointestinal issues. But the benefits of kombucha don't stop at your stomach. This bubbly brew contains gluconic acid that supports liver function and helps your body detoxify. It's also packed with antioxidants that strengthen your immune system and reduce inflammation. Need an energy boost? Kombucha has you covered with its small caffeine content and B vitamins. It's even been suggested that kombucha may improve joint health, aid in weight management, and enhance skin health. Plus, the probiotics, vitamins, and minerals in kombucha can support mental clarity. Despite its tangy taste, kombucha has alkalizing effects on the body, helping to balance pH levels. While kombucha can be a beneficial addition to a balanced diet, remember to enjoy it in moderation. Kombucha has come a long way from its ancient origins. This effervescent elixir, rich in probiotics, antioxidants, and beneficial acids, has surged in popularity as a gut health champion. It's a natural detoxifier, immune booster, and a source of energy. It may even assist in weight management, skin health, and mental clarity. So next time you sip on your kombucha, remember, it's not just a drink. It's a centuries-old tradition with a multitude of health benefits. Cheers to good health!